Alright y'all, so I'm back with a quick little video. So today I got both my GoPro setups right here. I got my old one and I got my new one. My old GoPro is a GoPro 5 black, and my new one is a GoPro 11 black. Alright, so I want to show you guys what each one of my setups look like real quick, but the purpose of this actual video is to show you the difference in quality and why I kind of wanted to upgrade. Now, I did have somebody in the comment section in one of my GoPro videos tell me that the GoPro Hero 5 probably was one of the last GoPros that had some really good quality. But I do feel like my GoPro 11 looks really, really nice. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it looks really, really nice. I'm looking at both of them right here, and I'll give you guys a shot of those in a second. But I really believe that the GoPro 11 looks really, really nice. Now, mind you, I still use my GoPro Hero 5 here, even in 2024 going into 2025. I know we're in 2025 now, but I still use my GoPro Hero 5. I just did a video, top-down shot video, while using my GoPro Hero 5. So I still believe that the GoPro Hero 5 can still get it done. You know what I'm saying? But mainly what I want to do is just kind of give you guys a quick angled shot of what both of these look like. And then I just kind of want to give you guys a video test of both of the GoPros. Now, with this video test, the GoPro Hero 5 shoots 4K up to 4K 30, but it has to be on wide. So what I'm going to do is use my 11, even though my 11 shoots 4K 60, I am going to shoot 4K 30, and I'm going to determine whether or not I'm going to go linear or wide on the 11, all right? But I'm going to try to match them both at 4K 30, you know what I'm saying? Even though I know the 11 Pro can do 60, I'm just going to match them at 4K 30, all right? So let me show you guys my setups really, really quick. All right, so I got my GoPro Hero 5 right here on the left. I got my 11 on the right. And this is what both my setups look like right here. I got the Rode mic on the GoPro Hero 5 with the Ulanzi cage, and it has the media mod going in just on a little standard tripod. I also got the 11 over here with the media mod, and it's on the PGY Tech Mantis pod, right? And we got the media mod on that one. So what I want to do for you guys, just because it's just mainly a quick little video test, just to show you guys the quality difference and why I wanted to upgrade from this one. We're just going to do a quick little light vlogging with each one just to show that example. Even though we've seen this one already and this one, we're just going to kind of just do it for the video quality test in general. Now, the 11 does have a leg up over the 5 because it shoots in 10-bit, which is totally fine. We're not going to worry about that. But what we will do is, because the 5 only shoots 4K 30 and wide, we're going to try to mimic that on the GoPro 11 with 4K 30 wide as well. All right. I typically shoot in linear, but that's what we're going to do today for both of these right here. So, all right, so here's the GoPro Hero 5. Currently, just doing like a little bit of a vlog style feel just so you guys can see what the quality looks like. Again, this is 4K 30. We are at GoPro colors. Everything is set to auto. The one thing about this GoPro Hero 5 is that when you go 4K, you lose stabilization. So that's why I typically use 2.7K on this GoPro. But I'm trying to maximize the actual 4K quality on this so that the comparison to the 11 would kind of be the same, you know what I mean? 4K versus 4K, you know what I'm saying? Instead of 2.7K versus 4K. But anyway, this is the GoPro Hero 5. Let me know what you think of this quality, and then we're gonna switch over to the 11 so that we can get that same kind of style footage like this, so we can see what that looks like, and then we'll go from there. So we on the GoPro Hero 11 right now. 4K 30 wide, everything is in auto, EV comp is turned up to 1. All right, 4K 30, just so we can match the GoPro Hero 5. And I'm already looking at the little small screen. I don't got the big screen going, I just got the small screen. And I can already tell the difference in the quality. And obviously, it's because it's 10-bit. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason why. You know, it's 10-bit. It's a little bit more of a newer camera. But again, I feel like the GoPro Hero 5 can still hold its own. But look at what this GoPro Hero 11 actually looks like. This quality looks really, really good. And this is 4K 30, not 4K 60. You know what I'm saying? You can see how the sky is looking nice and blue up there. It just looks really good to me. You know what I'm saying? And I just feel like this was the perfect time to go ahead and upgrade from my GoPro Hero 5 to this 11, because this quality on this 11 looks really good, man. Really, really good. So I wanted to give y'all this quick little example so that we can compare the, GoPro Hero 5 to the 11 in like this kind of vlog standard style, type video. All right, so here we go. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of footage with the GoPro Hero 5, just so y'all can see like the colors and stuff like that. We got the green colors going on right here on the trees or whatever. Don't judge my trees right now. They need to be trimmed, you know what I'm saying? But this is what that looks like right quick. I've been working on this video for like 3 or 4 days because you know, it's about to storm. It's been a lot of stuff going on. It's about to start raining here in a hot minute, so I'm trying to get this done as quick as I can. But this is what this is actually looking like right here, just to show y'all what the colors look like, so that when I switch over to the GoPro Hero 5, it'll make sense and you can have something to compare it to. Make sure you drop me a comment, let me know which one looks the best. But this is what that's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead right now and switch over to the GoPro Hero 5 so we can see. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro Hero 11, I'm sorry, so we can go ahead and see what these colors look like. All right, so here goes the GoPro Hero 11, and as you can see, we're in 10-bit, but we have 4K 30, trying to match it up, or at least keep them around the same settings, you know what I'm saying? But this is 4K 30 on the GoPro Hero 11, you know what I'm saying? Take a look at what the colors look like. Again, don't judge my trees, my little bushes, they're gonna get trimmed, but take a look at the colors. Let me know what you guys think of this right here. And this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to upgrade from the Hero 5, man, to this, because I can already see on the back screen right here that these colors look really, really good and vibrant, you know, straight up like this. And I don't really have to do too much to this to make it look, you know, really, really good. I could just kind of press record and go, and this is what it'll come, you know, it'll come out looking good like this, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is what that looks like. It's finna get ready to storm. It's getting pretty dark out here really quick, so I want to go ahead and hurry up. But again, I want to give y'all this quick little look so y'all can see these colors, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Is that GoPro Hero 11 doing its thing over that GoPro Hero 5? I would say so. I mean, obviously it's 6 more iterations, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this, just so we can have it for a comparison. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Was it a good upgrade from the 5 to the 11? I'm pretty sure it was. But do you still think that the 5 is holding its own over the 11? You know what I'm saying? Can it still hold its own, you know what I'm saying, and kind of sit next to the 11? Is it still usable in 2025? Because I'm still going to use my 5, but just let me know what you guys think of the quality in general. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video. It's been your boy Jay. I'm going to get up out of here. Peace.